Hello, salut. So, as promised, we finally arrived at making our chore charts. I'm going to start this video in English first, and then it will be followed by a French version, so stay tuned for that. I wanted to let you know kind of what we have created here for you. In creating our chore charts, I thought what would be most commonly found around the household so that we don't need to leave our houses in order to get these materials. What we arrived on was a cereal box, a pair of scissors, some tape, and some markers. So the first step in creating our chore charts, as you can see up here, is we'll be cutting the cereal box. So we'll be taking the cereal, hopefully the cereal is already gone. If not, you could wait and use it once the cereal has gone. You will then cut the box so that it will look like this. After that, with the other side of the box, you can create strips that look like this. So with these strips, we can create squares or really any shape that you'd like, and we can start cutting out little pieces here and write the chore. So for instance, if you wanted to say, make the bed, then you can write that, make the bed. If you'd like, you can add images, you can draw pictures. Really, this is your craft, so you can do whatever you would like with it. So as you can see here, I've done make the bed. Once you have done that, then this is where you take your tape and we make it two-sided. So here we're going to fold the tape so that it is sticky on both sides and put it on the back here, and it is ready to join our chore chart. So as you can see, we have make the bed here, we have not done, and then as soon as it's done, we can go and put done, just like that. Okay, now of course that this can be modified, so just to add to it, if you would like, in the comments I will be posting a PDF copy for images. If you have a printer, you are welcome to print these out. I'll have them in French and in English for you. You can draw them yourselves as well. There's lots of different ways that you can modify this. As well, you can create one for weekly and one for daily. Entirely up to you. The sky is the limit. All right, thank you for watching, everybody. I hope that you found that to be helpful. Here are the chore charts, the finished copies. So again, thanks again for watching, and have a fun time completing all your chores. Take care. Merci. Ok, maintenant on fait la même chose, mais en français. Alors tu peux voir le tableau de tâches en français. Alors, on commence avec le matériau. Alors, tu as besoin d'une boîte de céréales, des ciseaux, du ruban et des marqueurs. Alors, quand tu as tout fini avec le céréales, tu peux couper un côté et faire des bandes comme ça. Et avec des bandes, tu peux créer des carrés. Alors, un carré, c'est comme ça. Alors, tu peux écrire avec le marqueur, tu peux écrire faire le lit. Faire le lit. So to make the bed. Faire le lit. Ok, alors tu peux mettre du ruban sur l'autre côté. Et quand tu as tout fini avec ça, tu peux mettre ça sur le tableau de tâches. C'est comme ça. Tu peux changer ce produit si tu veux. Si tu as une imprimante, tu peux imprimer ça. Je mets ça dans le commentaire. Et si tu veux, tu peux désigner des images. Aussi, si tu veux, tu peux faire un par semaine et un par jour. C'est pour toi, alors tu peux choisir. Alors, ça c'est les tableaux de tâches. Ça c'est fini maintenant, mais les tâches ne sont pas finies, alors Bonne chance tout le monde. Au revoir. Merci.